Cardiovascular disease is often referred to as the silent killer because symptoms can go unnoticed until a major event, such as a heart attack or stroke, occurs. However, there are subtle warning signs that your arteries may be narrowing, due to plaque buildup. Recognizing these silent symptoms can help you take action before it's too late. Here are 6 critical signs of artery blockages you should never ignore. 1. Chest discomfort or pain, angina. While chest pain is a well-known symptom of heart disease, mild or intermittent discomfort can be easily overlooked. Suppose you feel tightness, pressure, or a squeezing sensation in your chest, especially during physical exertion or stress. In that case, this may indicate that your arteries are narrowing and restricting blood flow to the heart. 2. Shortness of breath. If you find yourself becoming breathless after minimal activity or experiencing difficulty breathing while lying down, it could be due to reduced blood flow to the heart and lungs. This can indicate an underlying arterial blockage that is impairing circulation. 3. Fatigue and weakness. Persistent fatigue and weakness, particularly if they are sudden or unexplained, may be a sign that your heart is struggling to pump blood efficiently. If oxygen-rich blood isn't reaching your muscles and organs as it should, you may feel unusually tired even after adequate rest. 4. Erectile dysfunction, ED, for men. Difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection may be an early warning sign of arterial disease. The small blood vessels in the penis can become clogged before larger arteries, making it a possible indicator of poor circulation and arterial blockages. 5. Leg pain or numbness. Peripheral artery disease, PAD, occurs when arteries in the legs become narrowed or blocked, leading to pain, cramping, or numbness, especially during walking or exercise. If you frequently experience discomfort in your legs that improves with rest, it may be due to reduced blood supply from clogged arteries. 6. Jaw or throat pain. Pain in the jaw, throat, or neck, particularly when exerting yourself, can be a lesser-known sign of heart problems. Although often attributed to dental issues or muscle strain, this type of discomfort can indicate that your heart is not receiving enough blood due to arterial narrowing. If you notice any of these warning signs, it's important to consult a healthcare professional as soon as possible. Simple tests, such as a lipid panel, stress test, or imaging scans, can assess your cardiovascular health. Lifestyle changes, including a heart-healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management, can help prevent further artery blockages and improve overall heart function. Early detection and intervention can make all the difference in preventing severe cardiovascular events. Your heart's health is in your hands. Don't ignore the signals it's sending you.